Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to check your video resolution or dimension. In this video, I will show you a method through which you can easily check your video resolution or dimension or size of your video. If you want to use your video in your editing software like Premiere Pro, Filmora and other video editing software, you should know what is the dimension and resolution of your video. So if you want to check the video details, please keep watching the complete video till the end. I will show you a method through which you can check your video details, dimensions or size. So if you want to check your video dimensions, resolutions or size, keep watching the complete video till the end. I will show you a method through which you can easily check its details. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have a video. So I will right click on this video and go to its properties. Here you can see that it's 135 MB size. So you can see its size is 135 MB. For more details you have to click on details section. Here you can see that its length is 1 minute 55 seconds, width 1920 and height is 1080p. Its frame rate is 25 frame per second. And here you can see that its audio details. So this is the short and simple method through which you can easily find the size, dimension or resolution of your video. After that you can create a sequence in your Adobe Premiere Pro according to the video dimensions and edit your video according to these dimensions. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.